Hola, 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 probando. Let me check
Hola.
now.
Mister.
Hola, hola, just
Estamos
hold on a
bien.
second. Microphone. Better. I was checking my headset, so I was changing the setup because today we're going to continue with the class. Just let me change the camera view. Um, by the way, thanks everyone who's turned on the camera. Please, Fabian, turn on the camera. Jorge, turn on the camera. And we're going to continue with the class, right? Let me change the camera view, speaker view, ping my video, and all right, and change the camera item webcam. Right, perfect. So I know this is not referred. This is not belongs to the class. But guys, could you like to confirm if you can read perfectly well the things reading in the whiteboard? All right, excellent. Okay, today we're going to learn how to graph the circle diagram. Pamela, Helen, Jessica, Isabelin, Dionisio, Nina, Gabriel. Thanks for letting me know. So we're going to use this beautiful protector, just like the Captain America shields, I know, but we want to learn how to do the circular diagram using the protector. Okay, just in case you don't have the compass. Well, actually, in my case, I don't have the compass, but that reason we're going to use the protector. Not big deal, no big thing, but it's necessary to learn how to do that kind of tricks. Okay, the name of the lesson will be circular diagram or the pie diagram. It is a pie diagram, circular diagram, if the same. Or another thing, another people says pizza because there is a distribute this diagram like a slice of pizza. Actually,
So that is not our problem.
uh, excuse me.
So the things written on the whiteboard is not our problem.
No, 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 no. This is a physics problems. Don't worry about it. This is physics. I'm erasing that whiteboard because this is from 11th graders. So at the beginning of the class, I'm asking if you can read the whiteboard because I was testing because I changed the camera view. That's why. Don't worry. We're going to continue with extension of the process that we made to calculate the mean, the median, and mode. All right. I'm going to explain it once again the same thing that we learned yesterday with the video class that we provided how to create that circular diagram using the relative frequency and the rest of the table. So just for maintain the same sequence, we're going to use the values of the data from the last class. I mean, not the value from yesterday. I mean, the values gave us from the last Monday. So just hold on a second. Let me looking for the videos, right? Well, not the videos. Let me looking for the um, the values from the data for the last class. Hold on a second. Just give me 1 minute trying to looking for that video. Monday was for February 14, right? 14 de febrero. Hold on a second. All right, hold on. Okay, in the last class, in the class from February 14, so we're supposed to have this table with the instruction where I'm going to copy once again the problem. And the problem mentioned we have to calculate the mean, the median, and mode. Calculate the mean, median, and mode, right? And mode, and after that, a mode of group data, and group data, okay? And frequency distribution tables. table. You don't need to copy once again this problem because you got this already. So in that case, we have the grade. The grades in this situation we're talking about, that was the class mark. We have the number of students. Okay, we have the students. We have the class mark. This is the interval class to the frequency class mark, and the product between x times class mark and the accumulated frequency. Again, you don't need to copy those values because we got already. That was the value from the lesson from the last Wednesday, the last Monday, sorry. 50, 59, 60, 69, 70, 79, 80, 89, and the last one was 90, 91, and 99, sorry, 99. The quantity of students that we have in that occasion was 7, 7, 13, 17, 17, 8, and 14 students. The class mark was 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, 84.5, and 94.5. All right. And the product that's supposed to get, that was 381.5, 838.5, okay, 88.5, 1,366.5, 666.0, and actually the last one, 1,323.0. And the accumulated frequency was 720, 37, 37, 45, and 59. All right. And the addition between those values, obviously in this position, was 59 students, and the class mark were around 4,485.5. Okay, that was the lesson, the last lesson that we provide on the last Monday. Okay, and we calculate the mean, the median, and mode, and we creating the histograms using the absolute frequency. I mean the quantity of students, and another one, the accumulated frequency. Now, what value, according to these values, what values we require to create the circular diagram? Well, we require we must add a couple columns. One of them will be the relative frequency, all right? And the last one will be the quantity degrees. This quantity degrees, we can use the symbol that means angle theta. That will be represents the quantity of degrees. So how we can perform this to fulfill these two columns before to create the circular diagram. Just like we learned in the video we studied yesterday, the first of all, we have to know what will be the quantity of data, 59. And every value for the first column, I mean the absolute frequency or regular frequency, we must divide, sorry, I was taking my breath again, every number by the total. I mean, for example, in the first one, 7 divided by 59 and multiplying by 100, the result will be 11.86. Okay, we're going to use one decimal point, okay? 11.9%. Remember, divide every value by the total, Jesus, and multiply by 100. 13 over.
Wait. How do you get the
Mhm.
Can you repeat how do we get the frequency?
Okay, 7 divided by 59. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and the
Then multiply
result
by 100.
with yes.
Okay.
Next one will be 22%. Yeah, 22%. Right? Same happened with the second one. Third one divided by 17 divided by 59, and the result multiplying by 100 will be 28.8. Okay, the another one, we have to divide 8 divided by 59, the result multiplied by 100, and the result will be 13.6. 13.6. And the last one, 14 divided by 59, multiplied by 100, and the result will be 23.7. And just for check your answer, we must to add all these values, and the answer was supposed to give us 100% or approaches to 100%. Just the video tape that we studied yesterday. I mean 11.9 plus 22 plus 28.8 plus 13.6 plus 23.7. So the answer will be exactly 100%. All right. What does that mean? That means we are doing well. Next step, the next column. How are we going to calculate the quantity degrees? It's simple. Just give me 1 minute. I really hate this disease. Okay. The only thing that we have to do, remember, the total circumference of the circle, that will be 360 degrees. So 360 degrees must be multiplied by this percentage distribution. Well, you have to pass the percentage into decimals, and after that multiply by 360. So we got, for example, 11.9 divided by 100, and the result multiplying by 360. And that will be 42.8. We got 42.8. What it will be the symbol, this little circle, that means degrees. Understood? Understood?
Yeah.
All right, same happened on the second one. 0.22 multiplying by 360, we got 79.2 degrees. 79.2 degrees. The next one, 0.288 multiplying by 360, that will be 103.7. All right, 103.7. Another one, 13.6 divided by 100, multiplying by 360. So the next distribution will be 49 degrees. Because we are rounding 1 decimal point. So the answer was 48.96. If you really want to round in 1 decimal number, that will be 49.0. And the last one, we have to divide, and let me check again. A ver si no me equivoqué. Ah, no, está muy bien. And the last one, 23.7 divided by 100 and multiplied by 360, that will be 85.3. Okay, and remember, if you really want to check this answer, if you're doing well or if you're doing wrong in this situation, we have to add this quantity degrees. This quantity degrees, that's supposed to give us 360. So we got 42.8 plus 79.2 plus 103.7 plus 49 plus 85.3. So the answer gave us 360 degrees. So we are complete. We have the complete table frequency. So the only thing we are adding to before to create obviously the circular diagram will be the column from the relative frequency and the quantity of degrees, the symbol, a number 0 with horizontal line. That means this is a Greek alphabet letter. That means we can read like a theta. Yep, theta, Theta. Theta. In Spanish means teta, así como lo escuchan, teta, 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 así se lee. Ese es el nombre del ángulo. Now, with these two values, with this, the last two columns will be useful to create the circle diagram. Okay? If you wish, because you have this value, since the quantity grades onto the cumulative frequency, the last problem that we made on Monday, you could copy these two columns of the reds. So how are we going to create this beautiful circular diagram? Okay, let me show you. So if just in case you have this protector, we have two kind of protectors. One of them is just, well, the standard protector is 180 degrees, just like this one. And we got another one. I don't know if some of you guys have the 360 degrees protector. Well, just in case you have the 360 protector, that will be easier for you because the only thing that you have to do is put the protector and draw the circle between them. But just in case you have this half value, as soon as you can see, we have a little hole in the middle part, right? So let me show you. You can place the protector over here and paint the whole one, or just like this position, right? So as soon as you can see this black point, or I'm going to change the black point like a red one. This red one will be represent the center of the circle. Now, what are you going to do? Please push the potato, place the potato protector with the circle, the red circle in the center, and let's going to draw the circle. Since the 0 degrees until 180, we have the half of the circle, right? Put in the opposite direction once again, and let's complete the circle. Okay, voila. We can use this technique just in case you don't have a compass. With the compass, it will be easier for us because with the compass, you push the center and you're around the circle. If you have the protector 360 degrees, only put the protector 300 degrees and draw the entire cycle. But just in case you have this one, you see how we can create the circle without using the protector. Understood on this part? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right then. So now it's time to using the distribution. Remember what the teacher explained us yesterday. You can use the first ratio. If you wish, you can use horizontal ratio or vertical ratio. It doesn't matter. At the end, the result will be the same. Just for following with the things we learned yesterday, we're going to draw the first ratio in the vertical position, right? But make sure at the moment we to have the position, the vertical position, we must make sure the right position that's supposed to markable, the 90 degrees. This huge 90, number 90, that will have this situation. That means we're going to have a perpendicular position. I mean, exactly vertical position. All right. In this bigger number, 90 at the center. All right. So I'm going to put this protector over here. All right, make sure we have the center and we can remarkable over here. All right, so let me draw now the first line. The first line. In the first vertical line, we're going to use the first ratio in the black one, okay? The vertical ratio because we have the markable. So we have we are pretty sure how we're going to sketch this graph. Right? This is going to be the first ratio, but we are not remarkable what will be the first one, okay? Some people are remarkable since the bigger one to the smaller one, or the smaller one to the bigger one, or the same arrangement. It doesn't matter, all right? So just for let you know, just for clarify, and that's why you require some colors to be a professional graph. We can choose so colors. For example, if you wish, in the first distribution, you're going to use the blue one color, right? The first distribution. In the second one, we can use the orange, right? And the second one, the orange. The third one, if you wish, we can use the purple one, okay? The purple one. The another one could be, I don't know what color would you like to use, the green one, if you wish. The green one. Yeah, sorry. And the last one, we can use the red one, okay? The red one. Okay? Just for clarify and differentiate what will be the colors we're going to use in this circular diagram or pie diagram or pie sketch graph. I don't know. There's many ways how we can solve this situation. Okay, before the first one will be 48 degrees. Remember the position with this could be, we can graph this situation using the clockwise or counterclockwise. The position, it doesn't matter. At the end will be the same. What numbers I'm going to use over here? If you see, we have two numbers, outside and inside. We're going to take the reference, the outside numbers, okay? The numbers located between them. For example, 42.8. Let's see what we got. We're going to put the positions in the center over here, all right? And it's remarkable, the first 42 degrees. Okay, 40, 1, 2, approaches over here. Approaches, okay? 1, 2, 3. We have the remarkable first line, this situation. Okay, so that will be the first one. We're going to drop the line. Vamos a ver, desde aquí hasta aquí. So this is going to be the first distribution. If you want to paint that one, okay, perfect, you can do it. La, 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 la. And this is going to be that distribution. If you wish, all right, let me paint on this one. You can label like the name of the distribution. In this case, for example, this is completing the 48 degrees or 11.9%. It doesn't matter. And outside or inside the label, we can use the interval class that will be 50 until 59. Okay? 50, 59. Understood until this part? ¿Estamos hasta aquí?
Yes.
¿Sí o no? All right then. So let me finish the paint that one. Just for let you know. Now, in the second place, remember, we're supposed to choose the orange one. That will be 79.2 degrees. Okay, the new position of this protractor will be in this location, right from the center onto this one. And we're supposed to graph 79.2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Approaches over here. So the next ratio will be located over here. All right. Oh, this is the new one. So Once again, we can bring the second step. La 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 la. No lo hago tan relleno porque se me van a ir la tinta a los marcadores, pero ustedes entienden la referencia, right? So, in this second position, you can, if you wish, you can remarkable the quantity degrees or the percentage. This case will be 22%. 22.0%. What will be the scale? I'm sorry. Since 60 until 69. Oh, we got the second one. Sorry. The new one. All right. We're going to position the new one until 103.7 degrees. We're going to start since the new one over here, right? Pues se me fue el Capitán América. Pero no se preocupen, muchachos, esto es como tipo Transformer. Ya está. All right. So, again, put the position over here. And we went to remarkable, how many degrees? 103.7. 103.7. Okay, this is 103. 1, 2, 3, 104. We're going around over here. Okay. And the new one position will be around over here. Okay. This is going to be the new one. Da, 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 da. So the new position will be, this is represent 28.8, right? 28.8%. And this is represented by the values 70, 79, right? So 70 over here until, well, 79. Un poquitito más. I don't know if you got the idea, given the circular motion, right? The next one, the green one, 49 degrees. 49 degrees, 49 degrees, 49 degrees, 49 degrees. Well, thing happened over here. All right, 49 degrees, 1 degree before the 50. Okay, let's going to sketch the graph. Oh, sorry.
Teacher, why the?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no. No, never mind.
See?
No,
Yeah,
it's
whatever.
because no. I confused. I thought it was 49%, not degree.
No, 49 degrees, and now I'm going to copy the percent, it will be 13.6. Remember, we first of all, we have to sketch the graph, and after that, the label with the percentage. Then this is going to be 49 degrees, 49 degrees, 13.6, 13.6, that percentage. And this value will be given since what? 89, right? Vamos a ver. Yo, ¿por qué puse 97 aquí? Es 79, sorry. La idea es que se mantenga la secuencia del círculo. Now we got 80 until 89, right? And if you did well this situation, you don't need to skip the last part because in the last part, we're supposed to have 85.3 degrees. So just for let you know. Ay, qué lindo. Yep, if you see, always 85 over here, right? 85 over here. So we are remarkable that position in this situation, right? Approaches is the last one. So, o sea que al final, la última pieza siempre le va a quedar exacto lo que ustedes lo hicieron. And the percentage will be 23.7. 23.7 degrees. And the interval will be since 90 to 99. All right. And what will be the name of this one? The name of this situation will be a circular diagram. Oops. Circular diagram or pie diagram, if you wish, of students' grades. La 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 la. And that's it. This is how we're supposed to sketch this beautiful circular diagram. Understood? ¿Entendieron?
Sí.
Excelente. Pucha, y son de broma, ¿verdad? Nos llevamos prácticamente el resto de la clase explicando step by step. Bueno, entonces como ustedes pueden ver, no es complicadito. Ya saben, si no tienen un transportador, perdón, un compás, y solo tienen transportador, primero marquen un centro, hacen la mitad, le da vuelta y hacen la otra mitad y ya tienen el círculo completito. Si tienen un transportador de 360 y dale contra sí, transportador de 360 grados, ese es mucho más fácil, solo pone el centro y hace todo el contorno. Ahora, si tiene el compás, todavía es más sencillo, usted marca el centro con el compás a toda la vuelta. El pero igual manera siempre se ocupa esto, porque con esto usted va a medir todos los grados. Al final, si usted hizo una correcta distribución, al final siempre el último pedazo le va a quedar cabalito a lo que distribuye. ¿Ok? Y como le digo, es recomendable que utilice una leyenda de colores, así como usted está viendo en la tablita, indicando, a este le voy a poner este color, a este color, este color, este color, este color, para que usted lo vaya diferenciando. Y aquí colocarles, ya sea lo ideal, ya se sabe que son grados, pero puede colocar porcentaje o grado aquí, aunque realmente para términos de distribución se usan los porcentajes, ¿de acuerdo? Y aquí se ponen, si fueran nombres, aquí le colocamos los nombres, ¿verdad? Así como el día de ayer, que eran gastos, o sea, por el estilo. Pero como los intervalos de clases son números, por esa razón que colocamos en la parte externa los números, dando la sensación que sigue un círculo. ¿De acuerdo? Bueno, entonces, mis estimados aprendices, les recuerdo que el día de mañana no tendríamos clase, tendríamos nuestro primer trabajo de clase, the first classwork, ¿ok? En el primer trabajo de clase no va a incluir esto, solamente son las medidas de tendencia central de datos no agrupados, no grouping data, just like the same thing like we made the first homework, ¿ok? Nothing more than that. So, and if God wills, on Friday, we're going to discuss that class, the first class work, and on Monday, we're going to create a full exercise. I need a full exercise. We have to arrange the data, create a frequency table, just including the relative frequency and data. We want to create the two histograms and the circular diagram. Okay, thank you. Let me take the print screen over here before you go. Hold on a second. Permítame. Yeah, I got this. Hold on a second. Right, I send a picture into the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you can check the picture later. Thank you so much for your attendance. Have a great and wonderful day. Take care of yourself. I don't know if the Valle Sula, the students of Valle Sula, anyone has a question or everything's clear?
Thank you.
All right then. So guys, thank you so much for the attendance. Have a great and wonderful day. Take care of yourself.
Listo.
Quisieran, sé que están diciendo algo, pero no les entendí. Vaya, cuídense. Nos vemos el lunes. Nos vemos el... Todo bien, todo azul. Bueno, cuídense. Bye, bye. Bye. Gracias, gracias, hija.